The world outside is chaos. Opinions fluctuate, economic crises, sudden losses. We're used to thinking that our happiness depends on external circumstances. But what if I told you there's a fortress within you that can't be stormed? 2,000 years ago, emperors and slaves created a system of thought that makes a person stronger than any circumstance. This is Stoicism. Today we'll explore 4 rules that will transform your mind into a steel shield. Rule 1. The Dichotomy of Control. The main cause of your stress is trying to control what's beyond your control. Other people's opinions, the weather, the past. Epictetus taught, the only things you completely own are your thoughts and your reactions. If an event is beyond your control, it shouldn't bother your mind. Ask yourself, can I influence this? If not, let it go. This is the secret of absolute freedom. Rule 2, events are neutral. It's not the things themselves that hurt us, but our perceptions of them. Rain isn't bad, it's just water falling from the sky. Getting fired isn't a disaster, it's simply the fact of a change in career. Remove value judgments. See the world as it is, without the filters of fear or anger. When you strip an event of its emotional label, it loses its power over you. Rule 3. Love your fate. The Stoics called this Amor Fati. Don't just tolerate what happens, but wish for it to happen that way. Every obstacle is fuel. And remember death. Memento Mori. It's not a gloomy thought, it's a great filter. In the face of eternity, petty grievances and fears disappear. Live as if every action you take is your last. Rule 4. Build an inner citadel. Your mind is your only true home. You may lose all your possessions, but your character will remain. Strengthen it with discipline. Don't seek external approval. The only judge whose verdict matters is your conscience. Be rich within, and you will never be poor without. Philosophy isn't just words, it's action. Stop arguing about what a person should be, just be one. Right now. Subscribe to StoicPulse if you're ready to take control of your life. Your journey starts here.